Hi again, it's me, Eric, the service manager here at Audi Royal Oak, and today we're going to talk to you about paint protection. Here at Audi Royal Oak, we use XPEL Ultimate Plus exclusively on all of our vehicles that are about to become your vehicle. So we have in-house installation on our paint protection film by probably the best installer that I've ever had the pleasure of working with in my 22 years in the industry. When preparing to protect your vehicle, we use the utmost care and attention, and again, only the best products in the business. The benefits of using a paint protection film on your vehicle is, well, Calgary roads, stone chips, everything like that. This is what we're here to block. It's going to keep your Audi looking like the day it rolled out of the showroom. Here at Audi Royal Oak, we offer many different paint protection packages. Talk to your Audi brand specialist. They have all the answers. Thanks for watching this video, and can't wait to see you on the next one.